In front of me is Motorola E40, and let me show you how to add Google account on this device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts, and click on add account. Pick Google then, if it's about Google account obviously. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to log in, and now provide the details of your account. So in my case it would be email address, and then provide the password. So let me do it off the screen. So once the password is entered, click on next and then customize the account. So at first decide if this device is yours, of your kiddos, and then tap on next. Here read Google Terms of Service and agree or disagree. It's up to you, but if you don't agree, you cannot go further. Then click on accept, and that's it. As you can see, the account is added. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.